Hi friends, how are you? Nowadays, diabetes, hypertension, overweight, heart disease, cancers are common health problems. We all know prevention is better than cure. If we prevent these diseases by some healthy habits, that would be the best. Today we will not talk about gardening, but today I will share a healthy drinks that we get from hibiscus flowers. Hibiscus in Hindi called Godhal and in Bengali called Java. Okay, now we will just pluck some hibiscus flowers. Me and my sister enjoy plucking the flowers in the morning. My mom suggests everybody to get a small balcony or a rooftop garden and get benefits apart from the flowers and vegetables. Today, my mom will make hibiscus tea and tell about the benefits and side effects of the tea. Hibiscus tea made from dried parts of the hibiscus flower or fresh red hibiscus flower. The tea is deep red in color. It has a tart flavor similar to cranberry. Maybe consume it hot or iced. Now let us dry the hibiscus petals and store it. You can use it later. Today, my mom will make the both types of hibiscus tea. To make the hot hibiscus tea, add the water and the grated ginger. After boiling the water, add 2 hibiscus petals to make 1 cup of hibiscus tea. Cover it and keep it for 5 minutes. Benefits of hibiscus tea. Packed with antioxidant, contains compound that may help prevent cancer, may boost liver health, may help lower blood pressure and bad fat level in blood, promote weight loss, prevent common cold, aging and heart disease. Now, time to make cold hibiscus tea. First, add the water and boil it. Then add the dried or the fresh hibiscus petals. Boil it, then cover it and let it cool. After full cool, stain it. Then add few drops of lemon. See the changing color. It will become bright red. Drinking hibiscus tea is generally considered safe. So, side effects are uncommon. But before consuming it, ask your doctor. Now add few ice cubes. Then enjoy your cold hibiscus tea. You may also add honey in it. Comment us below how do you like it. If you like our video, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.